Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy from Coinbase. First, you'll need to set up your account. Begin by creating an account with your email and a strong password. Next, verify your email and phone number for security. You'll then complete identity verification by providing a government-issued identification. Finally, link a payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card, to fund your future purchases. This entire process usually takes just a few minutes to complete. Once your account is set up, it's time to add funds. Navigate to the Add Cash section. Select your linked payment method, perhaps a bank account or debit card. Enter the specific amount of money you want to deposit, for example, $100. Review all the transaction details carefully, including any potential fees. After confirmation, your funds will usually appear in your Coinbase account within minutes, though bank transfers might take a few business days. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy cryptocurrency. Go to the Buy/Sell tab. Choose the digital asset you wish to acquire, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Enter the amount you want to spend, for instance, $50, or specify the number of crypto units. Coinbase will show you the current price and any associated fees. Double-check everything, then click Buy Now to complete your purchase. It's a straightforward process. After buying, managing your portfolio is key. You can view your holdings and their current value on your dashboard. Consider setting up price alerts for your favorite assets, like Bitcoin, to notify you of significant changes. Always use two-factor authentication for enhanced security, protecting your investments. When you're ready, you can easily sell your cryptocurrency back into fiat currency or convert it to another digital asset directly within the platform. Stay informed and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.